Casualty risk remains a constant reminder of the real and tangible properties of art. It is indispensable when assessing a collection's value to quantify the potential financial loss and its replacement cost. For example, on October 5th, 2018, Banksy trolled the art world by shredding his own artwork moments after selling for $1.4 million, breaking the artist's auction record at the time. The winning bidder decided to go ahead with the purchase amid claims that its value had significantly increased following the self-destruction, under the statement that Banksy didn't destroy an artwork in the auction, he created a conceptual one. Sadly, not all artworks run the same luck, so this is why art insurance products are indispensable to protect the investors against the risks associated with physical damage. Furthermore, appropriate art storage and transport by specialized companies are conveniently located in certified warehouses where political, social, and economic stability prevail. This can minimize the cost of insurance policies. We have much more information about art funds, Artamundi, and the benefits and risks of art as an investment asset in www.artamundi.com.